Hi there kids! Welcome to Fun with Subtracting Numbers. Today, we're going to learn how to subtract numbers together. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's start with some simple subtraction. What is 2 minus 1? It's 1. Good job! What is 3 minus 2? It's 1. Great job! What is 4 minus 3? It's 1. Fantastic! What is 8 minus 4? It's 4. Amazing! What is 9 minus 1? It's 8. Excellent! What is 7 minus 1? It's 6. Wonderful! What is 9 minus 2? It's 7. Great job! What is 7 minus 5? It's 2. Awesome! What is 6 minus 4? It's 2. Super! What is 6 minus 3? It's 3. Fantastic! What is 6 minus 1? It's 5. Excellent! What is 5 minus 1? It's 4. Great job! You've done a fantastic job learning how to subtract numbers today. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep subtracting and having fun. See you next time for more fun with numbers. Bye for now.
Subscribe our channel Jojo Buddy and learn more.